That says it all. Wow, that offended my mouth.
What's that? No! Sprite milk?
Ugh.
Zen's face is just classic.
Hey guys, it's Tina and
Alfred here.
welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with part 2 of trying weird pregnancy cravings. In the last video, you guys left lots of comments with your weird pregnancy cravings, and Zen has gone through them and compiled a list or created like a menu, let's say, for today's video. So we're gonna try them out. Alfred is so excited, as you can tell.
I thought we were done with this. Part 1, I said no more.
But people wanted more. So just like the previous video, we're going to be rating each craving out of 5. This is an entree. These are all entrees. The first one Zen has presented us is a slice of cucumber with mayonnaise on top. I don't think this one's going to be that bad.
It won't be that bad.
That one's good. The cucumber, it's refreshing. It's got that nice crunch. The mayonnaise adds that little bit of like fattiness to it. I'm gonna rate that a 4 out of 5, guys. That's actually pretty good. I would snack on that.
Would you?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. I'm just not a fan of like smashing mayo on everything and anything. I'm not like a mayo person.
The combination works.
I'm not a big mayo guy.
The combination works.
It works, yeah. Because like I'm not retching, so it's not that bad. I'd give it like a 3.5 out of 5.
It's pretty good. This is sweet and savory. It's marshmallow with mustard on top.
Alright, let's give it a go.
He's not gagging, so I'll be alright.
Oh, it's got a weird aftertaste. You like it.
Oh.
You freaking like it. No. It just doesn't work for me. No.
That was like a part in my mouth. It was.
No.
I liked it. You didn't like it?
Like, all I could taste was mustard, and it had a very chewy texture. Like, I couldn't really taste it.
I think it was the texture that I liked.
That was a very mild marshmallow.
That marshmallow wasn't like super sweet. It didn't have that contrast. You know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like sweet and then like a hit of mustard.
Yeah, it wasn't sweet.
It kind of just merged together in my mouth because the texture was interesting. It was just like I was swirling it around and it was ooey gooey, but it was nice. I'd rate that a 4.
You're just giving away these.
No. We need Zen to do a deal breaker.
I think Zen needs to try it.
Zen, you've got to try this. You've got to like confirm. This is the verdict. This is the decider.
I don't like mustard though.
Oh, she doesn't like mustard. Great. We're off to a great start. I think she's going to side with Alfred.
I'm going to rate a 3.
That's not too bad. You made it sound like you hated it.
No, I didn't hate it. I just don't think it works. But I like mustard, that's why.
Zen hates mustard. Great.
I love mustard.
I love
but
mustard
I just don't
too.
think it works.
Her face says it all.
No gag.
I really hate it.
I really hate it.
Guys, are my taste buds that weird? Oh,
No,
Zen's gonna gag.
You don't know it anymore. Don't know what's good
The
anymore.
mustard.
She's gagging.
Okay, well, Zen doesn't like mustard, so that's gonna be a hard one to swallow.
Yep, excuses already.
Guys, I don't know. Like, try it at home. It's not too bad.
I rated it a 0.
Zen gave it a 0.
0.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, the texture's so weird.
Usually Zen and I, we have very like similar likings.
Now
Like
we
when it
know.
comes to
Well,
we like the same things.
It's a pregnancy thing then. Confirmed. Zen, do you want to take
Confirmed.
my spot now?
No.
Since you're so aligned with Tina in her taste buds, should I pour milk?
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh my god.
What are you doing then? Is that water? What's that? Frick is that? That's Sprite? Sprite milk? What? I thought it was water coming out of that McDonald's cup, but then I thought, why would you get water in McDonald's? But it's apparently milk and Sprite.
This is the first weird beverage we're tasting, weird pregnancy beverage. It's funny because I don't usually like milk, but then ever since I got pregnant, milk tasted pretty good to me.
So you probably will like this.
But I don't know about the Sprite thing.
I don't know. For some reason, I feel like this might be good. No. Oh,
It tastes like, what's that?
it's like Calpis, yeah.
It's interesting. It's not very fizzy once it's diluted in the milk.
It's actually quite nice. Yeah, it's like one of those refreshing Japanese drinks, so not bad.
What would you rate this one?
I like Calpis drink, so 4.
4.
4.5. I give it
Okay.
4.5.
I give it a 3. I'm not a big fan of that drink, but I could drink it like on a hot day that I'm super thirsty. I might reach for milk mixed with Sprite, make my own little cocktail.
It's weird, right? Because it's like the sweet milk.
Zen, try this.
Hate it.
Zen hated it. We don't mind it.
Oh, it tastes weird.
No, I agree that it does have like a weird taste.
Light, somewhat milky, slightly acidic. We unlocked the ingredient.
The hack is this
Yeah.
how to make your own calapace at home?
We're putting these guys out of business. We know how to make it now. We no longer need to buy this.
I feel like it is an acquired taste. So because we've had that Japanese drink, drinking this is not too bad. Zen hates it. It's an acquired taste, okay? It tastes a little bit like a yogurty drink now.
Mm.
Yeah? Not bad.
You guys are both.
We're both pregnant. I think you're pregnant too.
I think I am.
Was that your stomach? I heard your stomach. Are you getting
That
a
was
stomach
me.
ache?
I think I might be getting stomachache.
This one just looks foul. This one,
Yeah.
visually unappealing.
I'm gonna put it to Zen not knowing how to present food.
No, I don't know. Okay, how are you gonna make a pickle?
Excuse me.
There is no way you can
It-
make a pickle and Nutella look appetizing. It's weird. This is weird.
You like it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it.
I don't like it. I can't even control it.
I didn't mind it.
Wow, that offended my mouth. Wow. As soon as I bit into the pickle juice, it squirted out and then I had the nutty hazelnut spread. No. I cannot. I don't know. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
I don't know. Maybe I had a dried pickle or something because it didn't really squirt anything. Like it was just basically Nutella.
No, Zen.
with
We
a
need
crunchy
Zen.
texture.
Okay.
Zen.
I would.
You gotta. Zen doesn't want to. Zen's running away.
That's a 0 for me. That's a 0. That is
Wow.
like, no. My mouth does not want that. Ugh. What would you rate it?
A 3.
Oh.
I didn't mind it at all. It was like a lot of Nutella, and I love Nutella.
I love Nutella too, and I love pickles, but I just did not like it together.
It was Nutella with a crunch, and I love that pickle too.
No.
I don't even like Nutella that much.
Have you
Zen,
even had
what
a
do you
childhood?
like?
How can you not like Nutella?
How much Nutella you're putting on that?
The visuals are horrible. The visuals are horrible.
Don't drop any pickle juice on me.
Oh, it's very crunchy.
It's ASMR.
Zen's face is just classic.
It started off well though. It started.
You know what I think? I think Zen had that hit of Nutella and it was like good, and then the pickle juice came. Then the pickle
Wash it down. Do you want to wash it down with milk and Sprite?
No.
What did you hate about it, Zen?
The fact that in your mouth, they just like separate. The Nutella gets stuck to the top of your mouth, right? So you can't chew, but then the pickle gets like chewed everywhere. And then the Nutella just stays there. It doesn't want to come and like...
It
you
doesn't
know,
marry
it doesn't
together.
wanna, yeah.
It doesn't want to merge
They just
together.
want to be separate,
Okay.
like identities.
That's fair. That is a good point.
That is it.
I don't like
Maybe
that.
that's why I didn't like it. Everything else like mushed together when it like entered my mouth. Whereas this one, it's like oil and water. It just did not want to mix. So Zen, what would you rate that?
1?
A 1.
Okay, so you
A
liked
one.
it more than the
The mustard.
Mustard.
Because it's just like
No,
mustard.
wait. Actually, wait, what am I gonna give this then?
Oh, so you hated it more.
Yeah, I think I hate
That's
it
a
more.
minus one.
That's a -1. A -1 from Zen. So she strongly disagrees too. Something wrong with your taste buds. The visuals. This one, pretty appetizing, like how it looks, right?
Yep.
I'm down for the watermelon and mayonnaise. I like the other mayonnaise, so I think I'll like this one.
It's just not meant to be.
I don't like it.
No.
You know what?
Why?
The mayonnaise has like a sour taste to it. And then watermelon, I just think sweet, refreshing. So it tastes like a rancid
Like a
watermelon.
rotten
to me.
watermelon.
Tastes
Yes.
like rotten watermelon. Not a fan. Minus for that.
I'd give it 0. Yeah. It ruined the watermelon for me.
I love watermelon. How can you ruin watermelon? It tasted like off. It tasted rancid. -5 for me. That was.
Wow, that's very
Ugh.
strong. Zen, do you want to try it?
No.
I think we might get a stomach ache or
Yeah.
something, and we still drink
But we
the
keep
milk and
sipping
Sprite.
this
Still
weird
drinking
milk.
that. Why are you still drinking?
It's the lesser of two evils. This one is chicken nuggets and ice cream.
Which is melting, so let's just try it.
I'm not sure if it's because I'm hungry.
It works, guys.
It works.
Chicken nugget and ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream, love it. Nuggets, love it.
Going for
Together.
round 2, guys. Next time you're at McDonald's, order chicken nuggets and like a McFlurry.
That was a pretty big scoop, you know.
We haven't rated it yet because we're like so busy eating it. It sounds weird. It works. 5 out of 5. I actually
5.
5 out of 5. I would order that. Don't worry about ketchup or sweet and sour sauce. Dip
No.
it in your
No,
ice cream.
no, nothing beats sweet and sour sauce.
Nah, I beg to differ now. 5 out of 5. What would you rate it?
4.
Still quite
It's
high.
good. It was good.
Still quite high. So I think this one could be a hit.
What? Freaking sriracha? No. Oh my gosh.
It looks like a potato with ketchup on it.
It does.
This might confuse people.
This is a kiwi, but it's a yellow kiwi.
Yeah.
So it already looks a little bit odd. We like yellow kiwis. And on top of it, Zen's put sriracha, like a hot sauce on top. I don't know. This one, I mean, I say I don't know about all of them and then I end up liking
You're
them.
weird.
So I really don't know. Look at that. Cheers.
It is weird.
I like it.
It's weird.
Now I'm just like,
No.
there's something wrong with me. I mean, there's not something wrong with me. It's just this pregnancy thing actually affects your taste buds or something. Because in my mind, I definitely thought that would not work. When I popped it in my mouth, like it got my saliva going and I was like, oh my God, this actually works. But I'm just like, now I just don't trust myself with foods. I would rate that a 4.5, guys.
What? No. It's not a 4.5.
It wasn't
No.
too bad. It was nice. It wasn't quite like a dessert, like fully sweet, but it wasn't like just savory. It was just on the fence. So I feel like with all these pregnancy cravings, it's like a merge between like sweet and salty, sweet and savory. What would you rate it? Did you rate it?
I give it a 2.5.
2.5.
Yep.
At least it's not a
I'm
0.
not hating. Nothing that I really hate so far. I'm not sure it's because I'm getting pregnancy symptoms. But I remember the first video. I hated everything. I'm on the fence with most of these now. What's that?
This one, I think it might make my stomach churn. This one is very bizarre, guys. I don't know how someone thought of this craving, but it's ice cream and garlic.
Not just garlic.
Oh.
Raw garlic. Like raw minced garlic.
Here goes nothing, bottoms up.
I mean, I can taste like little bits of the garlic, and it's not that good. The vanilla is overpowering most of it. And every now and then, that raw garlic hits. Not a fan.
Like it. I like it. Maybe not raw garlic, but if you put like garlic flakes or maybe even like a roasted piece
Roasted
of garlic,
garlic.
I think it would be really
Maybe.
nice.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad. I would rate that like a 3.5.
3.5.
Yeah, that's not too bad. I kind of like enjoyed the sweetness with a little bit of that garlicky like flavor at the end.
3.5.
Whew, my breath. Whew.
Yeah, I would give it a 2.
A 2. Not
Yeah.
too bad, not too bad. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching us try some weird pregnancy cravings that a lot of you guys recommended.
I honestly don't believe these are your cravings. I reckon you guys are putting out some really funky combos out there just to see us suffer.
Do you think so?
Yes.
I don't know. I think these could be legit, except that watermelon one and the pickle Nutella. Okay, all the ones I don't like, I don't know. I'm iffy about those ones, you know? 'Cause
Yeah, they were red hair.
I've got a baby. There's something weird about those ones. But the rest, pretty good, pretty good. Now, if you guys are new here, make sure you click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos that we post. And we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!
Ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum, doo-doo, ba-dum-bum,